Hi, my name is Ujjwal Tewari, and today I'll be discussing the productivity skill paradox that generative AI is creating in our future workspace. So let's dive into this transformative technology and its complex implications. Generative AI, while it promises increased productivity and efficiency, it also presents a complex paradox. We'll explore how this technology is not only creating unprecedented opportunities, but also significant challenges related to skills, job roles, and ethical considerations. We need to navigate these challenges thoughtfully to harness full potential of Gen AI while ensuring a fair and equitable transition for our workforce. This presentation will shed light on the dynamic and offer strategies to navigate evolving landscape. Productivity potential of Gen AI in customer service. We are seeing significant time saving on routine writing tasks and a notable boost in support interaction efficiency. Software development is experiencing similar gains, with developers leveraging AI to tackle complex coding and testing process more effectively. Here we can see how the graph highlights generative AI improved task completion rate based on complexity. For higher complexity tasks, AI boosts completion from 42 to 54%, showing a 25 to 30% improvement. For medium complexity tasks, AI increased rates from 73 to 83%, a 10 to 15% improvement. However, for low complexity tasks, AI impacts is minimal, but is still there, with completion rate rising slightly from 92 to 94%. Overall, the graph underscores generative AI greatest value in aiding complex and medium difficulty tasks, where its capabilities significantly enhance productivity. The impact of generative AI is staggering. It's projected to drive from 4.4 trillion in annual global corporate profit growth, marking a fundamental shift in business value creation. Already 30% of the workers are using Gen AI tools daily, with early adopters reporting a tripling of efficiency in critical roles. Marketing and IT departments are leading the adoption across industries. And here's the emerging paradox where things get interesting. We're witnessing a skill polarization. Low skilled workers, particularly in clerical roles, are seeing immediate productivity gains from routine task automation. Surprisingly, high skilled roles in legal and financial sector are facing unexpected disruption. This represents a historical reversal. Unlike previous tech waves that favored highly educated workers, Gen AI is challenging this pattern, creating a new wave and opportunity disparities across industries. The impact of Gen AI is widespread. 30% of workers face automation of at least half their tasks. 85% will see at least 10% of their tasks automated. STEM, legal, and administrative roles are experiencing moderate disruption. Notably, younger educated high-income employees are adopting Gen AI faster, potentially widening existing workplace divides. Implementing of Gen AI isn't without challenges. Only 15% of expenses goes to AI model themselves. With cloud migration dominating implementation budgets, significant investment is required for workflow designs. There are growing concerns about employee surveillance and its impact on workplace autonomy. Now, to navigate these challenges, we can consider upskilling programs, prioritizing reskilling of high risk roles, and use of AI augmented training for administrative positions. Ethical guardrails, implementing transparency protocols for AI augmented content and add copyright and consent issue proactively. Human centric integrations, redesigning workflows to combine Gen AI with human creativity, allowing AI to draft while humans can focus on strategies. Now, to effectively manage cost for the same, we can identify high ROI areas. Focus on customer service and content creation for quick, measurable returns. Run limited pilots. Test AI implementations with small teams to gather data on improvements and challenges. Measurable outcomes. Track both quantitative merits and qualitative feedback, balancing efficiency with employee satisfaction. And the last is scale strategically. Expand successful implementation company-wide, continually monitoring for diminishing returns. That's all for the day. Thank you for your time.